Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your name or your username on Roblox using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for roblox.com. Okay? So once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. So once you've logged in your account, just go ahead and click on the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, so click on settings. So once you've clicked on settings, you should see the account info. Okay, so before you can do this, I believe you need to verify your email address. Okay, so if your email address is not verified yet, just go ahead and add your email address. So once you've done that, you can see the display name. I'm sorry, the username. Okay, so here on the username, you can see this button, the change username button at the right side of it. So just go ahead and click on that. And here, as you can see, you need 8,000 Robux more to change your username. Would you like to buy more Robux? So just go ahead and click on buy and just go ahead and buy a thousand more Robux so that you can change your username. Okay, so once you have a Robux, just go ahead and click again this change username button and you should have the option to type your desired username, and also you need to type your password after that. Okay, but let's say you don't have the money to buy a Robux, just go ahead and change your display name. So to change your display name, just go ahead and click this button, the change display name at the right side of it. Then just go ahead and change it. Okay, but your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. Okay, so just go ahead and type the display name that you want, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.